Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on all so you can be up to date with my channel. The Book of Job chapter 39 verses 1 to 30 and the Book of Job chapter 40 verses 1 to 24:1. Do you know the time when the mountain goats give birth? Do you watch when the doe bears fawns? 2. Can you count the months that they fulfill? Or do you know the time when they give birth? 3. They bow themselves. They bear their young. They end their labor pains. 4. Their young ones become strong. They grow up in the open field. They go out and don't return again. 5. Who has set the wild donkey free? Or who has loosened the bonds of the swift donkey? 6. Whose home I have made the wilderness, and the salt land his dwelling place. 7. He scorns the tumult of the city, neither does he hear the shouting of the driver. 8. The range of the mountains is his pasture. He searches after every green thing. 9. Will the wild ox be content to serve you? Or will he stay by your feeding trough? 10. Can you hold the wild ox in the furrow with his harness? Or will he till the valleys after you? 11. Will you trust him because his strength is great? Or will you leave to him your labor? 12. Will you confide in him that he will bring home your seed and gather the grain of your threshing floor? 13. The wings of the ostrich wave proudly, but are they the feathers and plumage of love? 14. For she leaves her eggs on the earth, warns them in the dust. 15. And forgets that the foot may crush them, or that the wild animal may trample them. 16. She deals harshly with her young ones, as if they were not hers. Though her labor is in vain, she is without fear. 17. Because God has deprived her of wisdom, neither has he imparted to her understanding. 18. When she lifts up herself on high, she scorns the horse and his rider. 19. Have you given the horse might? Have you clothed his neck with a quivering mane? 20. Have you made him to leap as a locust? The glory of his snorting is awesome. 21. He paws in the valley and rejoices in his strength. He goes out to meet the armed men. 22. He mocks at fear and is not dismayed, neither does he turn back from the sword. 23. The quiver rattles against him, the flashing spear and the javelin. 24. He eats up the ground with fierceness and rage, neither does he stand still at the sound of the trumpet. 25. As often as the trumpet sounds, he snorts. He smells the battle afar off, the thunder of the captains and the shouting. 26. Is it by your wisdom that the hawk soars and stretches her wings toward the south? 27. Is it at your command that the eagle mounts up and makes his nest on high? 28. On the cliff he dwells and makes his home, on the point of the cliff and the stronghold. 29. From there he spies out the prey. His eyes see it afar off. 30. His young ones also suck up blood. Where the slain are, there he is. The Book of Job chapter 40 verses 1 to 24:1. Moreover the Lord answered Job. 2. Shall he who argues contend with the Almighty? He who argues with God, let him answer it. 3. Then Job answered the Lord 4. Behold, I am of small account. What will I answer you? I lay my hand on my mouth. 5. I have spoken once, and I will not answer. Yes, twice, but I will proceed no further. 6. Then the Lord answered Job out of the whirlwind. 7. Now brace yourself like a man. I will question you, and you will answer me. 8. Will you even annul my judgment? Will you condemn me that you may be justified? 9. Or do you have an arm like God? Can you thunder with a voice like him? 10. Now deck yourself with excellency and dignity. Array yourself with honor and majesty. 11. Pour out the fury of your anger. Look at everyone who is proud and bring him low. 12. Look at everyone who is proud and humble him. Crush the wicked in their place. 13. Hide them in the dust together. Bind their faces in the hidden place. 14. Then I will also admit to you that your own right hand can save you. 15. See now Behemoth, which I made as well as you. He eats grass as an ox. 16. Look now, his strength is in his thighs. His force is in the muscles of his belly. 17. He moves his tail like a cedar. The sinews of his thighs are knit together. 18. His bones are like tubes of bronze. His limbs are like bars of iron. 19. He is the chief of the ways of God. He who made him gives him his sword. 20. Surely the mountains produce food for him, where all the animals of the field play. 21. He lies under the lotus trees, in the covert of the reed and the marsh. 22. The lotuses cover him with their shade. The willows of the brook surround him. 23. Behold, if a river overflows, he doesn't tremble. He is confident, though the Jordan swells even to his mouth. 24. Shall any take him when he is on the watch, or pierce through his nose with a snare? Thank you so much for joining me watching and learning about the book of Job, chapter 39, verses 1 to 30, and the book of Job, chapter 40, verses 1 to 24. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up-and-coming pet facts, Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams until next time.